Hi everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make cloud bread. Cloud bread has been super popular on TikTok and I just had to make it. It's fun and easy to make, so let's get started with the video. Begin by separating 3 eggs. Place your egg whites in a large bowl, then whip them until they become frothy. When your egg whites are frothy, add 2½ tablespoons of sugar. Then, mix the sugar into the egg whites. After that, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the food coloring of your choice. I added pink food coloring. Whip your egg white mixture until it becomes stiff. When you're finished, go ahead and set your mixture to the side. I decided to make another one, but this time with blue food coloring. On a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat, add your mixture. Then shape your mixture. I tried to shape mine into a circle. When you're finished, go ahead and add any toppings that you want to put on your cloud bread. I added sprinkles. When you're finished decorating your cloud bread, place it inside the oven at 300 degrees for 25 minutes. Once they've finished baking, let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and then enjoy. This was really easy and fun to make. It dissolves in your mouth like cotton candy, and it also tastes like marshmallows. But it's also like really sticky. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!